Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from domesticatedme.com here today to share all of the products that I received at SEPHORiA. These are the products that I picked up by visiting all the brands, all the booths. Well, not all of them. I didn't get to all of them, but I'll discuss that in a future vlog / review video, so stay tuned for that. So again, I'm going to show you everything that I received. These are all the free goodies, freebies that I got by going from booth to booth at SEPHORiA. I'm also going to share what I got at my masterclass. I got a VIP ticket, which meant that I could RSVP for a masterclass. And so for my session, I chose to go to the Danessa Myricks masterclass, and it was incredible. And it's the first time out of the 3 masterclasses that I've attended over the years at SEPHORiA that every person who attended got a gift bag. So I'm so excited to share what I got in there. All right, so let's start because I got a ton of products. So here is a Moroccan oil bag that they were handing out. If you follow me on TikTok, I made a video about the top 5 brands at SEPHORiA last year. And I wanted to mention that because if they were so good last year, I imagined that they were going to be really good this year, and they were. And in that TikTok, I mentioned that the MVP award for the brand that gave the most product was Moroccan oil. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to really check out the booth. By the time I went there, it was really crowded. There were long lines, and so I just grabbed a bag. Some of the people working that booth were just handing them out for people who didn't want to get in line to go into the booth, so I just grabbed the bag. I think I got a little sample in there, but I didn't get a chance to check it out. But anyway, that's why I have this bag. But let's open it up and see what I put in there. And so yes, sure enough, there is a Moroccan oil hair treatment here. This is a purple one. This is for blonde, lightened, or gray hair. So not for me, which means I'm gonna include it in a future giveaway. From Forever Mood, this is Jackie Ina's brand, her fragrance and candle brand. And when I was arriving to Pullman Yards, the event space, I saw Jackie Ina and her husband waiting for a cab. So they were leaving, and I was really bummed out about it, but I can imagine, it's exhausting being there. I can't imagine what it's like for her to be meeting so many people over the course of 2 days. But anyway, I'm just happy that I got a chance to see her and pick up some goodies. So we have 2 samples here. This is I Am Her, and they included a little charm here. Very cute. From Youth to the People, we have a Superfood Skin Drip. This is their Smooth and Glow Serum, and it includes kale and peptide, dandelion root, niacinamide, and is a postbiotic. We got a full-size version in the VIP gift bag. So this I might include in a future giveaway, or I like to give out little gifts for people who shop my Poshmark closet, so we'll see. From Pattern, I got the styling cream and the Palo Santo leave-in conditioner. I got a full-size version of the leave-in conditioner in my VIP swag bag, and this one is another booth that I didn't get to visit, but in order to get people like moving and not creating really long lines everywhere, a lot of the people working the event were just handing these out in other places. So I got this not at the booth, elsewhere, so I didn't get a chance to visit this booth, but I'm glad that I still got samples. This is also from Youth to the People. This is their body cleanser and their body cream. From YSL Beauty, nice little faux patent leather bag here. Ooh, it's a sample of their men's fragrance, but the person who was working the booth said that women can wear it too, and it smells really, really good. So I'm gonna give this to my husband, but it's really for me. And then a sample of Libre. Sorry, that's the best I'm gonna do with that pronunciation. Ooh, and 2 more products in here. Oh, another sample of the Myself and a Lash Clash Extreme Volume Mascara. From Drunk Elephant, I didn't actually make it to their booth. Really disappointed myself for forgetting to go there, but I did manage to get a gift bag. This has Be Goldie Bright Drops, a little sample of the Lala Retro Whipped Cream, a mini proteiny polypeptide cream, and then a sample of their C Luna Hydra Bright Serum. From Fresh, I think this is empty. So there was someone handing out this little bag, and then you were able to approach the booth and take your samples, which included samples of their soy cleanser and their rose deep hydration face cream, which I haven't used in a while and is so good. I think I had 2 of these at one time, but happy to have at least a little sample of it again. And then from Youth to the People, again, this is their kale and green tea spinach vitamins superfood cleanser. A little Beauty Insider Sephora credit card lollipop. A photo that I took in the VIP lounge. Stay tuned for my review where I'll talk about the VIP lounge. By the way, if you're new here, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a lifestyle creator. I create content about beauty, fashion, luxury, family travel, DIY projects, and so much more. So if any of those topics interest you, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can set your notifications for all. I make new videos every week, but I don't have a set schedule. So if you have your notifications on, you won't miss a thing. Moving on to this big bag. From Danessa Myricks, this awesome tote. It's super cool. Look at that. Chromey, the queen of chrome. Of course her bag's gonna look chromey. Very, very cool. Apparently I tucked in some photo booth photos that I took at the event. And in there we have a Colofix sampler that includes the matte chocolate, the metallic celebration, the liquid metal platinum, and the foil Milky Way. Did I mention how much I love Danessa Myricks? Panera was there handing out chips, so I got that in there, along with a coupon for a buy one, you pick 2, get 1 free. From Laneige, we have a cream skin serapeptide toner and moisturizer. There we go. From K18, we have a leave-in molecular repair hair mask. From Fenty, we have a Butter Drop whipped oil body cream. They also included this, the Maintenance Crew, which includes samples of the rich one, Moisture Repair Shampoo, the richer one, Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner, the Comeback Kid, Instant Damage Repair Treatment, and the Protective Type, which is a 5-in-1 heat protectant styler. From Laneige, we have 3 samples of the Water Bank Cream. I won this by doing the little spinning machine. This is a Natasha Denona Baby Gold palette. Oh, this is so cute. This is from Tatcha. Cute is this? This is one of the dewy skin creams, and then it came with like another little keychain / charm. You know, charms are very in right now, so looks like I'm starting a little collection right here because I got one in my VIP bag. From Living Proof, this is their Perfect Hair Day High Shine Gloss. From Sol de Janeiro, this is their Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. Also from Sol, did I win this? I think I won this. This is their number 62 Brazilian Crush Cheirosa, and I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing that correctly. This is their pistachio and salted caramel scent. From Natasha Denona, a baby bronze palette. Hey! Also from Natasha Denona, I got a golden eyeshadow. From Fenty Beauty, I got a liquid blush. This is in the color Happy. From Rare Beauty, I think this is just candy. Yeah, it's candy. I think yesterday people were allowed to grab their own candy, and I guess people got a little overly excited because this time around they pre-packaged it and they just handed you the bag. So this is filled with raisins and these pretty, like, deep red M&Ms. Yum. Again, from Natasha Denona, this is from the I Need a Nude eyeshadow palette. It's in the color Shade Muse. A single eyeshadow from Natasha Denona. This is from the Golden eyeshadow palette. This is shade Oro, which, if you don't know, is the Spanish word for gold. Don't say I never taught you anything. This is from Kayali. They had a money machine. You know those little vaults you walk in and then bills are, or paper, that look like bills. Air rushes it up, and so you have to grab as many bills as you can. I didn't grab that many, unfortunately, but I did grab enough to get 2 little scrunchies out of it. From Danessa Myricks, we have a Colofix foils. This is in the color Twinkle. And then a Colofix Metallics. This is in the color Titanium. I knew I got another sample from Fenty Hair. This is the Comeback Kid Instant Damage Repair Treatment. And we got a full-size version of this in the VIP gift bag. From Kayali, a sample of Eden. And I actually won this sample and the other ones that are included. This is so cute. This is what the little Kayali bills look like. Another little charm keychain. This one is from SEPHORiA. This is from Sephora Beauty Insider. They actually included 2 of these. Here is the other Kayali scent. This is The Wedding Velvet Sandal. This is one of their intense fragrances. Glow Recipe is next. This is Get Glowing With Me set. It includes, ooh, hold on. I need to open this up. Okay, it includes a really nice sized little bottle of the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. This is a sample of the Glow Recipe Blackberry Retinol Blemish Serum. I really want to try this out, so I'm so happy that I got a sample of it. And then the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. Laneige had these little scratch cards, like little lotto cards, and when you scratched it, you saw what your prize was. And I got a Laneige pink bucket hat. Speaking of hats, Sephora Beauty Insider had these little games right when you entered after check-in, and you could win a couple of prizes, but they were just like handing them out by the end of the night. So I went right, as I mentioned in my video where I share tips, I went right to my favorite booths. I walked around, got plenty of samples. After general admission had been inside the venue for a while, I went back out to the entrance of the venue of the event where they had all these photo opportunities, and then I took my photos because it was a lot less people there. So I went back and I got this tie-dye bucket hat with the little Sephora lips on it. And I won, and she's like, how many of these do you want? And I'm like, I'll just take 1 of each. She's like, are you sure? And then I was like, okay, I guess I'll take another cap. I don't know why I did that. I don't need 2 caps, but here are my 2 black baseball caps with Sephora lips on it. Hey, you know what? I've been wearing a lot of caps lately, so I'm sure I'll get good use out of it. In the back, it says Sephora credit card and Beauty Insider. Also, they were handing out these really cute nail art stickers, and I got 2 of them because my daughter has really gotten into nail art and nail polish, so I got this for us. From Valentino Beauty, a sample of Born in Roma the Gold. I actually haven't tried this scent. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh. This is so cute. It's a little tiny Spike Valentino matte lipstick. I gotta see this. How cute is this? Ooh, that's a nice color. From Tarte, we got some hair clips. Always handy. From Rare Beauty, they were handing out bracelets again this year. From Glossier, it says members only, and it's a little keychain. From Charlotte Tilbury, we got another kit. This is their Pillow Talk lip kit. I think this might be the same one that they gave out last year. I will confirm, I'm pretty sure it is, but if it is, then I'll stick this in a future giveaway. From Tarte, we also got a Maracuya Juicy Lip Vinyl. This is in the color Hibiscus. I love these teeny tiny lipsticks. They're so cute. Oh yes, from Glossier. This is their other 2 scents. This is You De. Yeah, this smells really, really good. And this one is just a little bit muskier than the original You. And then this one is called Glossier You Rev. And this one is a little sweeter, and I really like this one. Oh, yeah. I really like this. Another Beauty Insider Sephora credit card lollipop. I've got kids. From Charlotte Tilbury, a Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. This is a little tiny one. And then we have the Exagger Eyes Volume Mascara. This is from Makeup by Mario, and it is a Master Pro Puff. There we go, always handy. From Laneige, a sample of their Bouncy and Firm Eye Sleeping Mask. I think we got a full-size version of this in the VIP gift bag. From Charlotte Tilbury, she's doing fragrances now. I didn't know. I need to catch up on beauty news. They had samples of it out, and then you could pick your favorite one. And I really liked Magic Energy. Yeah, I really like this. This one has notes of cypress, bergamot, and Palo Santo accord. It's love, light, and purity. Yeah, I really like this one. Oh, from Makeup by Mario, this is a Rose Glow. Oh, this is a Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum in Rose Glow. I like that one. And last, but certainly not least, we have a tote from Natasha Denona. And now for the gift bag that was given out to people who attended Danessa Myricks Masterclass. I'm really excited for this because there's a palette in here. Okay, so first we have this Lightwork Volume 5 I Am Palette Illuminating Eye and Face Pigment, and it is in I Am Fearless. And I'm like almost 100% sure that this was given out last year in one of the gift bags. So once I confirm, if I do already have it, then this will go in my next giveaway. Then we have a Twin Flames Multi-Chrome Pigment for Eyes and Face. This is in Crazy For You. I need scissors to open this up, so I'll just insert a photo of it here. This I definitely don't have. This is the Infinite Chrome Flakes, a multi-chrome gel for eyes and face, and it is in Pixie Dust. It's wrapped, so I need scissors to open this up. I'm in an Airbnb, I don't have scissors, so I'm not gonna open it up. Here's the photo of it. I'm really excited to try this. It looks beautiful. This is the Danessa Myricks Love is Love Illuminating Eye and Face Pigments. How cool is this? Oh my gosh. This rainbow right here, oh my goodness. It's so good. It's so good. I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. All right, and that was everything that I got, all the free products that I got from walking around at SEPHORiA today. Again, I was in the last session of the last day, and I had a blast. I had a ton of fun. I met some of you guys, which was really, really great, and I got some really good feedback. I am so happy that I was able to help some of you out when it came to planning for this. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you want to share your experience, let me know what your thoughts are. Did you get anything that wasn't included here, or did I miss out on something that you got that I wasn't able to get to and really loved? Let me know in the comment section below. Ask any questions, make a request, or just say hi, because you guys know that I love to hear from you. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out here on YouTube. And if you did enjoy it, maybe share it with a friend who might be interested in seeing what we got at SEPHORiA. Thank you so, so much for watching. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned.